Hey everyone, I'm going to get started here with a short video for today's lesson. We're going to be back in the Connect Ed. Some of you guys should have your username and password. I will, for this one, give you my username and password. Doesn't do anything but get you to the same place, so there's no answers or anything like that. But in the event you can't get on with yours, because I know some of your information was stored on the specific computer you were using in class, this will at least get you going by using mine. So we finished up lesson 1 looking at making decisions with our finances. The next lesson, and this is going to kind of tie into the next lesson, is managing our money. And we're going to go back to that same website that we used for lesson 1, but I'm going to have you guys, as kind of an introduction, do the skills machine and the vocab for financial literacy. So once you log in, you're going to go to skills machine, hit next, till you get to this one down at the bottom, the basic financial literacy. Okay, this is going to give you some information about what financial literacy is. So basically, once you make money and start making money, what that's going to look like, what you're going to see in your paychecks and taxes, how that affects your insurance, so on and so forth. Okay, so this ties into lesson 2 in the other website. But just gives you some more information about that. So you're going to go through this skills machine. Again, make sure that you complete all the activities inside of the skills machine. It's going to talk about, I'll go back, what is financial literacy, budgeting, investing, being able to read bank statements, Medicare, Social Security, those types of things. Okay, so you'll go through all of this, again, making sure that you complete all these activities like this. And then as you get to the end, you can play this insurance game. You'll get to the reviews and activities. All right, so for today, you're going to, on a Word doc or Google Docs, you're going to complete all 3 of these. So you're going to click on the flashcards. This is, again, your vocabulary. So you're going to type out your vocabulary, so Social Security, type out your definition, go on to IRA, and complete all of these. Okay, you're going to do the quiz. So again, click here. What I want you guys to do is just type out the question and then just what your answer is. Okay, so like for this one, if it's all the above, just type each one of these out with it. All right, I think there's only 5. And then you're going to do the skills activity. Okay, so this is dealing with insurance. It says, think about the places you go and the things that you do every day. Consider all of the different ways you are covered by different types of insurance. Make a table to list different ways that you are insured at home, at school. Maybe you have a job, at work, and also in your community. Okay, and again, this may be something you need to, just kind of discuss with your parents, as you may be covered under their insurance. If you guys Most of you guys shouldn't be driving yet, so you shouldn't be covered that way. But there are ways that you guys are insured. So you're just going to just list out the different ways that you are insured. Okay. Now, something to kind of keep in mind, because you look at this home, school, work, community, you may say, well, I'm not, insured at home. Yes, you are. Okay. If your parents own a house, they have homeowners insurance, that would cover your stuff as well. Okay. So kind of keep in mind, that you may be covered in different ways. So you're going to kind of, again, probably have to talk to them, and you're just going to list those out. Okay. So you're going to complete the skills machine, and then again, just in a Word doc or on Google Docs, type out your vocab, your quiz, and then your list for the skills activity. Okay. Once you finish that, save the document. There'll be a link in Canvas for you to upload that. If for some reason you use Google Docs and it gives you a link, just I'll have the ability for you to either upload or type in the assignment. Just copy and paste the link to your Google Doc into the assignment. Okay. So that'll be what you guys have to do for today. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, email me, let me know. I will be around my computer, as I said in the last video, from noon to 3. So that's, probably be the best time that you guys would get almost immediate response. And should be pretty self-explanatory. You guys have done this before, so you shouldn't have too much trouble. I will talk to you guys later. Peace out.